What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we got something a little spicy. We're gonna be throwing on the intake on my car after a month or so of getting it. I finally get to throw it on today. So let's go ahead, let's not wait because I can't wait, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Let's go. All right, so I have taken off everything that I needed to take off. Now it's just time for the installation process. And to start off, we're gonna go with the big pipe. So let's go ahead and start installing. Okay, so I found out how to put the dust shield on. This is me doing this with no YouTube videos of how to install it. I'm going completely based off what I can see. There is this little rubber. I'm guessing it goes on top of this, but you gotta like push it down on top of it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. And then this goes like this, and it has a little slot down here that you put here into, and then this bolt lines up right there into that bolt. So it's going to go in like, move this out of the way. This one ended it sucks, but it should go in like something like this. Yeah, you get the point. It should go in something like that. It's hard to do this with one hand, but it should go in something like that, and then you just bolt it down. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so that goes like that, and then that, so that should be just like that. And there's this screw, and then you just put it in there. I'm guessing you put it in here, and then you just screw it in. Let's finish it. Let's keep doing it and continue with the process. So everything should look like this. The only thing left now is for me to just put in the temper screw for here, which is a 30. I know it's a 30 or 25. I think it's a 25. Yeah, so you just tighten it down, and then yeah, I'm really excited to use the intake because I really like hearing the turbo. Even stock, you can still hear the turbo, but you should hear it a lot more now. So let me tighten those down and then put the filter on and see how it goes. So this is the final look of everything. My PCV valve, the breather hoses, needs to be changed. I broke this one, and the O-ring for that one was so stretched out that it couldn't even fit. But I am getting new hoses because I broke this one, so I will be replacing those. But with that aside, boom. I mean, I did miss a little plate here to block off like right here, but that's fine, I guess. I'll leave it like that for now. I'm okay with it. In the future, I might put it on, but for now, that's good. They did give me like some other stuff, like some other like clamps. I'm not sure where they go to. I'm not gonna lie to you, but for now, I'm gonna just leave it like this. This looks and seems pretty good to me. So the only thing now is to start the car and hear how it sounds. Let's go. All right, so it's the next day, and pretty much I had to go back to the stock MAF housing because the one that they sent me was making the car buffer for some reason. I'm not sure why. Every time I would go into the car, start the car, it won't get, it was like it was getting not enough fuel to air mixture, and then the car would be dying, not dying, dying, not dying. So it's like, you know, it's like doing weird stuff. But I went back to the stock housing and I started the car and it doesn't do it. So I'm guessing that's the problem. I fixed it, put back the stock housing. I just put on back this. I'm about to clamp them down. But yeah, so only thing now is just to go for a drive and hear how it sounds while it's driving. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this for a drive. Oh my god, bro. The way you hear it in the car is crazy. Yo, it sounds so good. Wow, like that's actually kind of mesmerizing, bro, to hear it like that. Let me go in manual mode for a second. I'm gonna do a pull in third gear. Oh, hold on, there's a cop. That's actually really impressive. That's so impressive. That's really, really impressive. Wow. Yo. So there is like this like little whistling sound when I do like hit full boost, but I'm pretty sure that's because like there is like this little there's something underneath it that I think I need to block off on the new intake. It's for I know it's for a vacuum line, but my car doesn't have any vacuum lines right there, so I don't know. So I'm gonna just block it off for right now and see if that makes that little whistling sound when I hit boost goes away. But otherwise, bro, this sounds absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. But if y'all did enjoy, please go ahead, hit the like button, and please share and comment on what else I can do or how I can improve this car, because there's a lot of things I don't know about this car still. But wow, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed, and let's go. I'll catch y'all in the next one.